The speed of the plane is 120 miles per hour in a calm wind. With the wind, it can cover a certain distance in 4 hours, but against the wind, it can cover only 3/5 of that distance in the same time. Find the velocity of the wind. So let's say V is equal to 120, and if ang plane daw is same direction sa wind, it can cover a certain distance x at time is equal to 4 hours. Pero if ang plane is against the wind, it can cover only 3/5 of that distance at the same time. So what is the velocity of the wind? And since diba same ang time, pwede na to equate ang time together. So we can say that distance over velocity sa plane plus velocity sa wind is equal to d over velocity sa plane minus velocity sa wind. Sa kani is gi-plus na to siya since ang plane o ang wind is going at the same direction. Tapos kani is gi-minus na to siya since ang plane o ang wind is opposite of direction. So substitute lang, we have x over 120 plus w is equal to 3/5 x over 120 minus w. So mag-cancel ang x. Solving for w, we get 30 miles per hour. Number 2, in the equation 3x squared plus m plus 1x plus 24 is equal to 0, find m if one of the root is twice the other. So, since given ang choices, pwede lang ni i-reverse engineering. Ang buhaton lang is mag-mode 5 tuta. So, let's say for example, sa letter A, let's say m is equal to negative 19. So, yung i-type is 3, negative 19 plus 1, o 24. Okay? Ang magawa sana is x1 is equal to 4 and x2 is equal to 2. So, kung i-check ninyo, 4 is twice than 2. So, tama si negative 19. And let's say m is equal to 17. So, ang i-type din sa calcu is 3, 17 plus 1, 24. Ang value sa x is x1 is equal to negative 2, then x2 is equal to negative 4. So, therefore, tama po si 17. So, ang answer is A. A carpenter and his helper together can repair a house in 10 days. It takes the helper 5 days longer than the carpenter to do the repair when each works alone. How many days would it take the helper to do the repair if he is to work alone? So let's say A is ang carpenter, si B kay ang helper. Basta work problems, rate times time is equal to work done. So sa to pa 1 over A plus 1 over B times 10 days is equal to 1 work done. Then ang problem, si helper daw takes 5 days longer than the carpenter to do the repair. So sa to pa B is equal to A plus 5. So kung i-substitute ninyo, you have 1 over A plus 1 over A plus 5 times 10 is equal to 1. Solving for A, you get 17.8 days. Pero dili pa kani ang final answer kay kani ang rate ni A. Tas ang question is asking for the rate of the helper. So sa to pa B is 17 plus 5 is equal to 22.8 days. This is the final answer. Number 4, two friends and A are respectively 5 and 8 years old. In how many years will the ratio of their ages be 3:4? So, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 8. So, dapat ang ratio daw is 3:4. Or we can write that as 3 over 4 is equal to A plus X years over B plus X years. So, substituting, we get 5 plus X over 8 plus X Solving for x, you get 4 years. Ted and Barney can jog around a circular park in 8 and 12 minutes respectively. If they start at the same instant from the same place, in how many minutes will they pass each other if they jog around the track in the same direction? Basta motion problems, then circular tracks, then at the same time kay going in the same direction. Ang distance na na-travel sa fast na person minus distance na na-travel sa slow na person is equal to 1 circular track. So, sa kanina problem, ang fast na person kay si Ted and ang slow na person kay si Barney, kung i-compare nimo ang time na ma-jog nila ang circular park. So, kumbaga, in 8 minutes, let's say, mao ni siya ang na-travel ni Ted. Then, sa 12 minutes, let's see, kani ang na-travel ni Barney. So, kung imong tanawon, ang distance na na-travel ni Ted minus ang distance na na-travel ni Barney is equal to 1 circular path or isa ka circle. Okay? So, using D is equals to VT, substitute nato sa kanina equation. So, velocity ni Ted times time minus velocity ni Barney times time is equal to 1. Kaning time t dire, mao ni siya ang time na they will pass each other. Okay, so kaniya atong dapat makuha na value. So, ang problema nato is wala tayo value ni velocity ni Ted o velocity ni Barney. Pero, given ang time nilang duha. So, let's say, consider nato si Ted. Using this formula, ana siya, ang isa ka circular park is matravel niya in 8 minutes. So, kumbaga, ang velocity ni Ted is 1 over 8. Para kay Barney, ang isa ka circular park is matravel niya in 12 minutes. So, iyang velocity is 1 over 12. So, i-substitute lang siya sa kanina equation. We get 1 over 8 times t minus 1 over 12 times t is equal to 1. So, solving for t, we get 24 minutes.